Can you see?
Yes.
I hope there is no need to introduction, right? And you cannot add these things, right? Because different terms, no. This is x to the power 2. This is x term.
Yes.
So you cannot add this one. But there is common thing you can see. X and x common to both terms,
Yes.
right? We are identify using terms. If you have factorized, the best practice is write down the things in as separately, right? If it is now, I'm going to do this one. No, I'm going to do the seventh one, right? So ax to the power 2 is one term, a to the power x is another term. I have to ignore the sign for a y. But you know, after you have solved this is equal to blank, because there is two term, there is two term. Because we are not going to take out minus. If we take out for minus term, the signs are changed, right? Let's take a look at it later, right? And here 9x ax power x, you can write it how? The second term, no? This is first term. First term can be written as
A
times x. This can be written as a times x. Identify the common things. A common for both, x common for both. So the common terms is what are the common multiple? Ax. Ax comes here. In here, what is the rest? X. If there is not, we are using 1, right? In here, what is the common?
X.
Not a times x. A. But be careful, this is a to the power x. You have to consider that one first. Otherwise, these terms are changed, right? There may be sign change, there may be a mistaken answer, right? I hope you are clear with that. Any question regarding this? Do this 12th one. 12. Now take a piece of paper. So vaccine का तंत्र.
නම් ඉඩයි මට අර අවුරුද්ද නැවුරු තියෙනවනේ අර ඉන්ෆ්ලුවෙන්සා එහෙම
අවුරුද්දින් අවුරුද්ද ගහනද? මම දන්නේ. කොල්ලෙක්ගේ ගහන එක අතර ගන්න අනේ කාලෙකට පස්සේ.
18 ඉන්න 18 නම් ගහන.
ගාන්න ගන්න අනේ මම ඉච්චර ගියුවේ නෑ. ට්වෙල්ත් වන්නේ.
මේකනේ.
Yes. දල වීදිකාවෙන් ගහලා තියෙන්නේ.
ඒව ගහලා තියෙනවා.
තියෙන රුබෙල්ලානේ.
ඒවත් ගහලා.
මොනවද ඒ රුබෙල්ලානේ ගහද්දි රිදෙන්නේ. ඒකට රිදෙනවා මොකක් හරි නීතියක් තියෙනවා. හරි මොනවද? I don't like that. කොරෝනාගේ ඩෝස් දෙකක්ම ගහගත්තා. පරාදි ගියා. අපිට මේක හම්බුණා නේද? ෆයිසර් නේද නෑ. USA එක මොකක්ද? ඒක.
කොවිඩ් වලද?
ඔව්. සයිනෝ ෆෝම් ද සයිනෝ පෙක් දෙක නම් අවුල්. සයිනෝ ෆෝම් නේ.
සයිනොපික්.
That is a signal. Yeah, it's the damn videos missing.
හරි.
Which one?
12.
no?
මේ.
Four AB to the power 3 equal common things. So you know, if you solve this bracket, two terms
Plus.
and common, 2 times a times means 2ab. In here what are the remain? 2b to the power 2. What are the remain? 3a.
හරි.
That is the. Now you know what is factorizing, so it's okay. Do you know how to solve this? Take common, factorize and common. Now if it is Rn is, I know there is Rn is in the above, right? And then I can simplify. There is not a condition, not a law. If there is R plus is here, above should be R plus is. But if it is this factorization, I have that sense, right? 7, 11. 11 I think we have done, no?
Yeah.
This one. 7 and 9.
Okay.
Whole
Hmm.
7 and 9. The grandmother will give me that right. In here, what are the common thing? A is common, no? You can get A out here, then you can remain A minus B. Right? In denominator there is AB. This A and this can be simplified. Final answer is A minus B over B.
මේව කපන්න බෑද?
ඉතින් ඊයේත් තව කපන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. ඊයේත් මම බෑ කිව්වා. අදත් බෑ කියනවා. ඊළඟ පාර බෙල්ල මිලි කරනවා බෑ කියලා. දැන් මේ දෙක නිකන් 5 to 5 වගේ නේ 6 to 6 වගේනේ. දැන් 10 to 6 over 6 මේකට මේක කැපුවම හරිය 10 ද උත්තරේ. නෑනේ.
නෑ.
මේක සිම්ප්ලි කරලා 4 over 6 නේ.
ඔව්.
10 නෙවෙයි ආන්සර් එක. එහෙනම් බෑ. ඒ මරිය තීසන ඒක කොහොමද ඉච්චර මෙලි කරේ කියලා. You cannot. At least you need to spend time. This one. A and B. No, you can take out B, T. A and B not common for both terms. T is common for here and here. You can take T out, then A minus B. In here, you can take R out. Then again A minus B. A minus B can be simplified with A minus B. You can take T over R. කොහොමද මේ AB මෙහෙම ගැපුවේ? If there is addition and subtraction here, you are not allowed to simplify. You can do only it is if there is multiplication mark in all over there.
multiplication තිබ්බ විතරක්
Only for multiplication mark, not for another. If you have division, you have permission to convert it to multiplication mark, right? In here there is a subtraction. How can you do that? If it is addition and subtraction, write down some. If it is addition and subtraction, always factorizing. You are not allowed to simplify. Now why can we do? Now I am saying you. I said you cannot simplify it here, but I simplified this and this. Why? Because this is connected via multiplication mark. This is one term. This is one term. This one is combined via multiplication mark. That is the reason I have simplified that. I cannot simplify here to here because why? There is a minus mark. Okay? Okay. This one. 8. You need to do more practices because you are doing some mistakes, okay?
Hey.
Done.
Yes.
Which one?
8.
This one, no? In the numerator you can see x is common. If x is out, x is here, there is positive y here. Numerator, that is xy. And x and x being simplified, then you can obtain the answer x plus y over y. That is the final answer. That's good, but not time expected. Fourth one. 3a minus 3b over 3c.
Yes.
3 is common. A minus b over c. Huh. ඇයි අපි එතනටලා ස්ටක් කළා හිටියේ අපරාධ. Take your children. first one, right? You can take a out of here, then it x y remain, a here, x plus y. This one. What is point? 8. What do you need? Now you have some trick here. Now, if you have one term here, there is one. Two. Now, you can simplify a to a to a to a, right? Now, before you are simplify here to here, no? No, if it is addition or subtraction, you can this 2 and this can be simplified, but it should be all here, right? Can't you simplify 4 by all here? This is 2. This is 6. This is, yeah, it's okay. This is 3. This is another method, right? Why? This and this can be simplified. Here divide by y to the power 2, no? Y to the power 2 is remain. Then x to the power 2 and x to the power simplified, and here there is x. Your answer may be, this is 2, no? Yes. This is minus, no? 2x minus 6y to the power 2 over 3. Is it the answer? No. I'm not sure. It is some difficult in some cases. I'm doing normal way. No, 8. This method never get false. Our traditional method. Right. Now we need to identify common things. This part highlight करना pain नहीं ना. Here. What are the common parts in the numerator? 6 x to the power 2 y to the power 2. Then here xy 3y, right? There is a denominator part. Denominator is 12 x to the power 2 y to the power. This and this can be simplified 1 and 2. xy plus 3y over 2. Right on. I hope we are correct. It is 8 ton, no?
මේ x to the power මොකද?
Here. Where?
මෙතන.
X to the power 2, no? Yes, then now this here, this part, no? X to the power 2, y to the power 2.
Yeah.
Any question? No. Then we have to this part, no? 8 part. I can say 6 to the power 2 is common, no? I am taking out 1 minus 2y. In here 3x is common, right? And then I can take 1 times 2y, 1 minus 2y, right? 3 and here इतना देखा ही मैं कहता इतने x है. Unfortunately, this part can be also simplified. 2x over z. Is it clear? 1 minus 2y, 1 minus 2y. As much you can simplify terms. Tenth one. මෙතන ඊට තියෙනවා. Very funny. What? This can be bracket, no? This bracket can be simplified with this bracket. Right? Same time, no? Now you are remaining what? 3ab over b to the power 2 over this part. 3a to the power 2 minus ab. Now you can take common things here, no? You can take b here, right? B, when you take b out, it is 3a minus b. When you take a out, it is 3a minus b. Am I right? Yes, no? Here to here, 3ab, here to here, b to the power 2. Now you can divide these two parts, no? b over a. Is this difficult?
No.
Same thing. You have to think.
Right.
Okay. Yeah?
Root.
B over A. I'll upload this by Tuesday. But you can watch again. Is that all the questions?
No. තව එකක් තියෙනවා.
Which one?
නෑනේ.
No, ne?
නෑ එච්චර.
I take this one again. I can take y2 out, then y plus 1. The numerator is y plus 1. This can be simplified. The y is answer. Right? Here, 3x to the power 2 can be take out. Why? This is common.
X.
Right? Here 2 plus 3x to the power 2. Answer is 2 plus 3x to the power 2. Try that. Right? This start coming. හිටියා නිදා ගන්නත් බැලුව බෑ. Now I'm going to do. Here, same thing. Cross multiplication. Right? 2x equal 4. X equal 2. Happy? Here. You need to go transfer this to here. Then x plus 7 equal 4 times 3 means 12. 7 goes here. X equal 12 minus 7. 5. X equal 5. Why? These are two terms, no? Now this is one term. This one.
මේ පැත්තට ඒතර 1 එක ගණන් වෙන්නේ නැද්ද මේ පැත්තට?
No. Now here, this is connected using what? Multiplication mark. Right? So you need, this is in the numerator, no? So the denominator. So you need to multiply both sides by 3 to remove this. Then what happens? X plus 7 remains. 4 plus times 3, 12 comes here. Then this plus 7 goes to here, minus 7. 12 minus 7 is x equal 5.
Okay.
Right. What is next one?
10.
Not here, 10 no. So, I like to divide both sides by 20, right? Or I can do it by, at least I can do it by, now those should be simplified, no? 20 tama at least best answer. This size can be multiplied by 20, this size can be multiplied by 20. Then I can obtain 5x plus 1 equal, this can be simplified, 20 over 5 means 4, 8 minus 6, right? Then I can simplify the left side again, 5 times x plus 1, no? That means 5x plus 5 equal mark, then 4 times 8, 32, 4 times minus 6 minus 4x. Then what is possible? This one goes to here, the number goes to here. This one comes to here, it becomes positive 4x. 9 is equal, so 5 comes here, whatever, minus 5. 32 minus 5 means 27. Then you can both side divided by 9. Then you can finally get x equal 3. Is this correct?
I didn't make.
No. Easiest part, right? What I did? It's okay, you can transfer 4 to here and 5 to here, you can do that. But it's boring, no, I do it this way. ඔන්න එහෙම හදන්නත් පුළුවන් මෙයා ෆ්ලෝ එහා පැත්තට ගෙනත් බලන්න. එතකොට මෙතනට 5 වෙනවා. Finally you get x plus 1 like the same 4 5 8 plus same step you can get. The thinking balance is difference. But logic may not difference. Logic is logic.
Right. 12,
12, no? Can I erase?
Oh.
12. Oh my god. I like to do the same thing. No? Both sides multiplied by 7 times by 35, no?
Yes.
35. No. When I multiply, I get large number. So that's not I'm going to take cross multiplication. So before to do that, I need to write it as proper way. This can be written as how?
3 plus 7 are
3 plus 7 in the bay. X plus 7. This is the way. Cross multiplication. Now 7 times 5 minus x equal 5 times x plus 7. Calling it like cross multiplication. This is what? 35 minus 7x equal 5x plus 35. Right? We had done something. It's okay, fine. Let's do later. This part goes to here, right? Then you can obtain what? 12x. The number goes to here. Right? 12x. 35 goes to here, it becomes what? 0. Then what x equal? Because 12 cannot be 0, x should be 0. Substitute 0 over here? Yes. There is not any other answer. That's why I am reaching that. There is no any other answer.
Okay.
Right. Any question? What was the mistake?
I didn't make that.
Only 2 minutes. Right. Read the question well. X over 2 plus 7 is 3 times of this one. So this is what? Equal what? 3 times of that one. First of all, you need to read this one and you need to build up this one. If you build up this, you have got 1 mark. Now you need to simplify this. Right. Now here you can see. Now to do that, you need to get one denominator here, no? So you can correct this one. This is 1, no? Right? 2 over x plus 14. Correct. Here you can simplify, right? The same, right? Now first of all, you need to do that here at 1, no? You can simplify 5 over x plus 10. 2 times 5, 1 times 5. You can make it at there. Then what? X plus 14 over 2 equal 3x plus 30 over 5. Now are you clear? Now we can do cross multiplication. Here. Left side is here, no?
Yes.
In there, this is only 1. We cannot add these things, so what did you do? Both sides multiply by 2. We get equivalent fraction here, that is what? 14 over 2. And now x over 2 plus 14 over 2 can be written as x plus 14 over 2.
Yes.
Any question about this? No. Now, it is equal to 3 times x over 3 plus 4.
But then 10 are the 2 only matter.
Not 2.
5.
Here, this is 1, no?
Yes.
You need to take in 5. Make it equal. So both sides 5. Then x plus 10 divided by 5. Now you need to practice do it quickly. Denominators in height. Right? Now there is a small trouble, this 3. So it is multiplied 3x plus 30.
Yes.
Then not do cross multiplication. 5 times x plus 14 equal 2 times 3x plus 30. 5x plus 70 equal 6x plus 60. 2 times, ne? Yes. 2 times. Here goes to here. 60 goes to here. 10 equal x. You need to check by substituting here. It is 2. Understand step by step what happened here. During the examination, you have to do this type of question at alone. No one comes to help you. Do you have school paper? Last time? මේකම හදාගෙන යන්නේ ෆෝන් ෆොටෝ ගන්න ඕනේ. මම නෝට් එක දෙන්න ඕනේ. dah හිතා ගන්න බැයිද? ඔබ දැක්කම මොකද තේරෙන්නේ? First of all you need to realize the left side is somehow it is a fraction, no? The denominator is not equal. Your first task should be equal the denominator. අංගුඩ අන්නාසි වලින් තොරණක් ගහලා පල්ලියට ගහන්නේ අන්නාසි ගෙට් එක ගලවන් ගිහලා වීදි ගිහිල්ලා එන ටිකට අන්නාසි ටිකනේ බයිරෝ කට්ටිය right මම මෙතන මේ වැඩි කරලා bracket we need to use brackets now I can simplify 4 times 6
24
4 times 3
12
x over 12 minus
15x plus 36 over 12.
now you can simplify this, no? Take at the 1 24 minus 12x signs are changed, positive becomes negative 15x, positive becomes negative 36. Then what happened? 12 over then I got to simplify minus 27x, right? Then again minus 40 60 මෙතන ඔන්න යටට minus 1 දාලා මෙහෙම cross multiplication දාන්න පුළුවන්. එතන minus 12 equal minus 26x minus 60. මෙයා මෙහෙට එනවා. එතකොට මොකද 27x මෙයා මෙහෙට යනවා equal minus 60 plus 12, right? ඒ කියන්නේ කීයද මෙතන එනවා 27x equal minus 48. ගම කාලා වගේ නේද මහත්තයෝ? recheck here මේක 4 වලින්නේ 24 12x right 15x plus 36 minus 2 මෙතන තියෙන minus නේ so this should be minus 24 minus 12x minus 15x plus 30 අන්න හරි I got the mistake no there is not mistake because 50 this becomes 15x this becomes minus 36 okay over 12 no right 50 මෙතන 27x here and here. Right I got the mistake this is positive 24 this is negative 36 so answer is not negative 60 negative 12 now it is called cross multiplication this comes here minus 12 right then what then 27 equal there is 12 no
මෙතන 12
26 comes here this minus 12 comes here then it becomes what there is already minus 12 yes 0 no 27x equal 0 yes කළලිත් කැත am I right yes no කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ I think it's not good but this is what is it 1 minus 1 no yes unfortunately that is minus 12 and this minus 12 comes here by positive 12 that becomes 0 to 27 x should be 0 substitute කරලා බලමු x හරියනවද කියලා if x is 0 here this is 6 over 3 2 මෙතන x is 0 දාම මෙතන 3 අර 2 minus 3 minus 1 right you can get now you know what to write down
fifth අන්නේ
yes
fifth අන්නගනේ
yeah do it at a fresh page this is a good question
pages තමයි නැත් කොළ තමයි නැත්
නැද්ද පොතක හරි හදන්න ඉතින් කොලයක්
key notes එකේ
ඒත් කවන්නේ ස්පෙෂල් ක්වෙස්චන් කියලා ක්වෙස්චන් එකක් දාලා
Yes.
කොහොම හරි same thing, same concept, right? These are different questions.
That is.
This one. Just multiplication. 16 times 4. 64 equal x to the power 2. Sum is
2x නෙමෙයි.
x times x
x to the power 2
x plus 6 2x එන්නේ. දැන් මේ වගේ ගුණ කතා කියන්න ඔට්ටු නෑ. right 64 x is equal plus or minus 8 both are correct answers. You can substitute minus 6, it doesn't matter. You can substitute positive x, it doesn't matter. Both are the answers. සමහර කට්ටිය දැක්ක ගමන් මේ x to මේ x කපනවා. දැන් if it is an equal sign, it is very careful. This one. Yes, 105x nahi? This and this should be multiplied by 2x. This and this should be multiplied by 3x. Right? Then you need to obtain, right? Then you need to obtain 6x to the power 2 over 3x plus 6x to the power 2 over 2x. Denominator is 6x to the power 2, numerator is 5x, right? Now you can simplify x and x, right? 5 over 6x. That is
ඒකට එහෙම simplify කරන්න පුළුවන්.
Oh. Yes. This is what I did simplify the new denominator part. Sorry, left side. I forgot the right side. Right side this one equal 1 no. Right side is waiting for until we simplify the left side, right? Now we need to find the value for x no. This is just fraction, this is just the simplification part. Right. This is just the simplification part. Now then we need to do what is here, we know 1. You can simplify here, you can get 6x equal 5, right? Now what? Sorry, 6. X equal 5 over 6. This may be this answer. Right? Identify what I did. First of all, I did what? I did simplify the left side. Right? Taking the common denominator, 6x to the power 2, both. Right? The numerator becomes 5x. Right? It becomes 5x. Then what? Then I can remove x and x I can simplify. The all are equal to 1 now. I can simplify this and come to here. Right side is waiting. Now after here I simplify this and get the answer. Which answer?
Yes.
This one is same concepts, huh? Not any change. 11th one, no? This is multiplied by 4x, so numerator should be multiplied by 4x. This should be multiplied by 3x, this should be multiplied by 3x. Then what?
Over 12x.
12, then I can go 12x. මම මෙතන එකපාර කරනවා. මෙතන එනවා 3x. මෙතන එනවා 4x. Right? Equal to what? Equal to 1. Right? Now this can be simplified. 7x over මෙතන 12x to the power 2 no? 4 times 6 12, x times 6 x to the power 2. 12x to the power 2 equal 1. This and this can be simplified. 7 over 12x equal 1 over 1 කියලා මට ගන්න පුළුවන්. මේ පැත්තේ cross multiplication කරනවා 12x equal 7. Both side divided by 12. X equal 7 over 12. Why? Because my final purpose is finding the answer for x. X is 7 over 12. එහෙනම් ආයෙ හදන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ. So it's good. Mati itu tangan itu ada. Stuck Kelani? Why? Here, in here x and y is not same side. First of all, I need to take y for left side and rearrange here. Right? Just y take to this side. Is it okay? This is my first equation. X plus 3y equal 5. This is my second equation. If I add this, I cannot remove 1. What happened? Now these opposite signs, positive and negative, so I need to add this. Right? Again I get 2y. Can you get it? Can you add karane? First of all, we need to add coefficient. 1 times 3. All 1 3. Why? It should be equal to this term. Right? So 3x minus 3y equal minus 9. That is my third equation. I'm using instead of first one, so I'm cut it. Now my deal is 2 and 3 because 1 and 3 are equal, no? Right. මෙතන 3 හින්දානේ මෙතන 3 ආවේ. This is second equation and next is third equation, right? Now I can add the second and third. This and becomes simplified. Plus 3y minus 3y cancel out. This and this becomes 4x equal. This and this becomes what? Minus 9. Minus 9 and 5 means minus 4. Both sides divided by 4. X is equal minus 1. Happy answer. Then what happened? Second option. Y. So what is the easiest one? I am selecting this one. Right now I am using first one. Using first one. Right? What is first one? X minus y equal minus 3. I'm y මේ පැත්තට කියන්න. Y equal x plus 3. Right? X is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 equal y. So y equal 2. Substitute here. You can get your answer. Here x is what? Minus 1.
Yes.
2 minus 3. First one is root. Second one x is minus 1. This is 2. 6 minus 1 5. There is no answer. Is it easy? Okay? 10th kara. Not 10. Write down. Correct this. What happened?
පොයින්ට් ගානක් එන්න පුළුවන්. ඩෙසිමල් ආන්සර්.
Maybe. Finally, if you get x and y answer, you need to substitute it should be proved. If you have point answer, it's better to double check until now. It's better to move forward, recheck and move forward. 72 13 දාවේ
8 එකද?
හ්ම්.
මම 7 එක කරලා
එහෙනම් ඉතින් මම 8 එකයි 4 වෙටන්නේ
fraction එකක් දාව උත්තරේ.
done I don't know this should be multiplied by 2 8x plus 2y equal 4 1 and 3 2 කියලා මම දැන් ගන්නම්කෝ 1 plus 2 11x equal 11 no 11x equal 11 x equal 1 x equal 1 means what x equal 1 substitute to second one 4 plus y equal 2 then y equal minus 2 give me book let's see what is the mistake හරියට ලියාගෙන තියෙන්නේ yes now the මෙහෙම හදන්න බෑනේ මේ දැන් කවුද මෙහෙම හදන්න කියලා දීලා තියෙන්නේ මම හදන මෙතඩ් එකයි වා හදන මෙතඩ් එකේ ඩිෆරන්ස් එක පේනවා I have write it as quickly at in this another step ඔයාලා මොකද කරන්නේ එකපාර දානවා මේ කොහොමද මේකේ 30 second step එක මෙයා multiply කරලා ලියන්න ඕනේ නැද්ද මේ 8x plus 2y equal 4 කියලා ගන්න නැද්ද third equation එක equations මෙයා first second කියලා label කරගන්න නැද්ද I am teaching you some method to follow that ඒ method එකට යන්නේ නැතුව ඕන විදිහට ඉතින් හදාගත්තම ලකුණු කරන්න වෙනවා මට කරන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ I don't know right then if you follow that method no I am not accept this following that method and rewrite it I am going to erase this because I am telling you some method to do follow that right sometimes I am doing some small research before you telling some methods right සමහරවිට මම දන්න කොට lazy method එක තමයි Google search කරලා බලලා කියන right the thing is you need to do it fast and efficiently and you are going to do it like do something in the mathematics formal writing is essential right there is a writing way දෙකල් දිනවද මම question එක අහනකොට කවදාවත් එහෙම මෙහෙම ගහන්නේ දැන් මාස ගානක් මාත් එක්ක වැඩ කරලා තිනවනේ හැමතිස්සෙම topics විදිහට ලියලා underline කරලා sectors divide කරලා clearly ගන්නවා that is thing hurry up I have to discuss this paper මොකද ගත්තේ? This no? Fine. First of all, you need to multiply by this because the coefficient of y is does not equal. So all the terms should be multiplied by 2 until the coefficient should be equal. So it should be 8x plus 2y equal 4. Is it good?
Yes.
Yes. Pointer is marked. You have to write down this first and second or third. It doesn't matter, right? Then you need to write first plus 2. The method is important, right? My formal writing එක නැත්තම් වැඩක් නැහැ. මෙච්චර කියලා තියෙන එකනේ, right? 3x plus 8x. Now this y and y simplify equals 1 plus 4 is 11. This comes 11x equal 11, right? X equal 1.
No.
Now where did you add this? මේක add කරේ කොහෙද?
මේ දෙක.
මේ දෙක එකතු කරාම 7 4යි 11 නේ බා.
7 4 එකතු කරන්නද ඕනේ?
ඉතින් දැන් මෙතන දැන් කොහොමේ මන්ලි ලියන performance කොහොමේවා 1 plus 2 කියලා ලිව්වද? නෑ. දැන් කලින් ලිව්වද?
නෑ.
මේ ලියලා තියෙන්නේ.
ඔව්.
ඉතින් ඒ formal writing එක තියෙන්න ඕනේ. සයින්ස් දෙකේ ඩිෆරන්ස් නම් ඇඩ් කරන එකනේ කරන්නේ.
ඔව්.
ඉතින් එතකොට left side ටික ඇඩ් වෙනවා, right side ටිකත් ඇඩ් වෙනවා.
left side එක ඇඩ් වෙනවා මේ පැත්තට ඇඩ් වෙන්න ඕනේ.
Yes. Left side and right side becomes add. ඒක නෙමෙයි. Here you can see. මේ වන්ද මේක බෙයිද? This and this becomes addition. This and this becomes addition. Why? The reason is the difference sign. That's why we add 1 plus 2. Otherwise 1 minus 2 like that, no?
Yes.
1 plus 2 means these are add. 11x. These are add. 0. Neutrals. These should be at 11. අනේ කොහොමද 4 ආවේ? 7 minus 4 කොහෙන්ද 4 ආවේ?
8x උයි මේක යනන්ද.
එහෙම ගන්න බෑනේ. ඉතින් අනිත් ඒවා කොහොමද? You have to mention a reason. What happened? 8x should be at this 3x. Then 11x should be here. Here? 3x and 8x becomes 11x here. This and this becomes simplify and this become 11 here. Clear? දැන් මේක එලියා ගන්න ඕනේ බොරුවට වැඩක් නේ. I will give this question. දැන් මේක මෙච්චර දා හදන්න බැරුව දින්නේ. එක්සෑම් එකට කලිනුත් කියලා දුන්නානේ. Here.
සයින් එක සේම් නම් ආයේ third
If
equation
side
හදන්න ඕනේ.
here, what happened? Here, no?
ඔව්.
First of all, you need to rearrange it. If sign is same, you have to go minus. 1 minus thing. This one. But in here, there is another problem. Coefficient should be not. Coefficient is not equal. You need to equal that. Okay. So 1 minus 2. This one minus. cannot solve. Here, first of all, you need to transfer the values to the right side, right? X minus 2y equal 4. Only the variable part should be in left side. 5x minus 6y equal minus 80. This should be minus 4, no? මේක ගත්තද? නෑ. ඒක ගන්න නැතුව මේක ඇඩ් කරන්න බෑනේ. දැන් ඔය මෙතඩ් එක always කියන්න බෑ. ඉතින් හැමතිස්සෙම මේක හදන්න කියලා පොඩි උන්ට ඔය කියන්න බෑ. Right? 1 and 2. Then what happened? Now you can add 1 and 2 because now you have both sides.
Yes.
Right? 1 plus 2. In there you have problem. Why? If you add or minus these things, you cannot be simplify any value. So you need to equal coefficients first. To do that, we can, if it is better, 1 times 3. No? 3x minus 6y equal minus 12. We can cut it. Right? This is
third equation.
third equation. This is the thing what have we done. Now what happened? Now we can minus these things. 2 minus 3. Right? 5x minus 3x means 2x. Now think about
0y.
Minus y minus minus y. Then what happened? This becomes positive y. No? Finally it becomes 0. It is removed. 18 minus minus 12. Minus 8. Minus 18 minus 12. It is like if positive 12 it becomes no positive 12. Then it becomes minus 6 equal 2x. Both side divided by 3, x equal minus 3. Any question?
මෙතන 2x ගත්තේ minus කරලානේ.
Yes. 5x minus 3x comes 2x.
මෙතන 3x minus 6y ගත්තේ කොහොමද? ඒ equation එක හදාගත්තේ.
This one. First equation multiplied by third equation. X times 3 3x minus 2y times 3 minus 6. This one.
3 times 3 multiply කරන්න.
Why? Because I need to equal these coefficients.
equal නැත්නම් අපි හදාගන්න.
We have to repeat it. Right? Second part is easy, no? Substitute x equal 3 to kya any one. Right? Which one is the question? This is no?
Yeah.
I like to do at one.
නෑ ඒක
No, that is
ඒක නෙමෙයි. මේ උඩ එක.
9. මෙතන තියෙන formulas ටික right. Here substitute කරලා එක ගන්න පුළුවන් ඒකත් බැයිද? එකක් දන්නේ නැද්ද? මම මේක කියලා දුන්නා. Right? Here x minus x equal minus 3, no, we have to substitute. So taking first one, first equation, x minus 2y
equal minus 4.
Now we need 2y, no?
Yes.
Right? So now I'm substituting here. What is x means? Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3 minus 2y equal minus 4. 2 goes here. Minus 2y equal minus 1. Minus 2 minus 2.
Fraction, ne?
Yes, y equal, this minus 2, no?
Yes.
What happened? Minus half. Minus divided by
cancel.
Any question? These are very easy parts. No leads.
එතන මොකද ලියලා තියෙන්නේ?
x
Substitute to
x equal -3 substitute to first equation. Done.
yes.
From here it's in, no? I'll send the